Hello friends, welcome to Tech VD, and in this tutorial I will show that how to capture a full page screenshot in Windows. So let's start the tutorial. You can see that here is a web page and it's too long. So if you would like to take a screenshot or capture a screenshot on this page, then you can use sniping tool or other tools. But the problem is that you cannot capture full page. Like you can capture a portion or a full desktop sizes like this, but can't take any screenshot of full page like in a whole page with all the articles or images. For this, we will use a extension tool on this video tutorial and we'll show you that how to capture full page. So let's do it. For this, we need to go on Google and search for Go Full Page, and then you will find extension with Go Full Page Screen Capture. You just need to install or add it on Google Chrome. So here is the option, add to Chrome, add extension. Look, it's installed. And next go to page again, and here you will on extension bar you just need to click here and you will find the extension Go Full Page. You just need to click here. Look, it's capturing. It's taking a little bit time, and look, it's done. The whole page is captured or screenshot is taken. Yeah, it's pretty good with a single image. Now you can download the image or skin with as PDF or PNG. So I'd like to download as PNG. If you would like to download as PDF, then you need to buy their subscription. But I would like to use as free, so I will use this download PNG option. Sorry. Yeah, just download it. You can edit this image or convert to any other format as you want, but you can easily take a screenshot of any pages. Okay, let's do it in on another page. Okay. Okay, let's take a screenshot of this page. Full page. Yeah, screenshot taken. It doesn't matter how long the page is. It will capture the pages, no problem. Okay, let's download it again. Yeah, it's downloaded. So I hope it's you like this video tutorial, and you can now easily capture or take a screenshot of your whole pages. So please like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. That's it for now. Tata, goodbye.